Welcome to the Theme Tutorials by AJC3 Designs. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to take out the Complasmic theme part of your theme name. What that's going to do is it's going to make the theme look a little bit cleaner. We're also going to learn how to change the version number as well as the vendor and description. But we're going to not be doing that in Theme Builder. We're going to be doing it in Notepad++. Now, a lot of people do know how to do, some of us don't. I didn't know for quite a while until I met a few guys that showed me how to do it. But this is basically your default screen when you first export something. What I do is I just went to Theme Builder, exported an 8500 theme, didn't make any change to it. This is the default theme as it opens up. So we go in here and we see it says Complasmic theme. That's just default by Theme Builder. When we do our changes, it's going to look like this. You're not going to see a Complasmic theme. I just named this tutorial theme. Change the version number. The vendor has always been the same, and we just added a description. So what we do is we're going to skip this a little bit ahead, and we are going to say we export this. And now that we've exported it, we're going to go into Notepad++. Now, this one right here is the one that I've already fixed. No, I'm sorry, this is the one that I haven't fixed yet. So we're going to look for anything that says midlet, and highlight midlet right here. You see where it says jar size and midlet jar URL. Those are two ones that you do not want to change. The only ones that you do want to change are midlet name right here, and then midlet description, which is right here, and then you're gonna see midlet version, which is up here. Now, in those are the only three you want to change. If you change anything else in there, your JAD file goes away and it becomes useless. So let's go into this one. We've got manifest version. Do not change that. You've got midlet version. Now, midlet version is the year, the month, the date, and then 1108, which is just a random number that Theme Builder puts in. We're going to go into midlet version, and we're just going to change that to 1.0. Now, that's what you want to start at with the first release when you're doing alpha or beta testing. I usually start at 0.10 and then work my way up. Now, we're going to find midlet name, which is right here. Midlet name is the actual name of your theme that will show up right here. This is the midlet name. To get this to this, we go back into Notepad++, and we just simply change it to the name of your theme, whichever name you want to do it. Now, once that's done, your theme will then go from this to that. Now, in the description, we've got this theme has no Complasmic theme. So how do we change that? We go back in Notepad++, and we go to midlet description. If you didn't put a description in Theme Builder, you can put it in right here. So we're just going to go in here and just type something, and that will be the description. That description you will see right here. You can put in whatever you want, however many lines, it doesn't really matter, and it'll be just fine. So now that we have that done, we've got our version changed, we've got the midlet name changed, and we've got the midlet description changed. The midlet vendor, that's really never going to change unless you change company names. Whatever it is in Theme Builder is what it's going to stay. In this case, mine says AJC3 Designs. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit Control S to save, and then if you open up FileZilla and we find, what I normally do is we're going to find f.jad, we're going to hit F5. It's actually going to make the file size smaller because we're taking letters away, and we're going to come over here, and this file right here is the same as that file right there. I just changed the name because there's really no point in putting Complasmic theme, because the contents of the JAD file are what downloads the theme, not the actual name of the theme. So I can just take out all that Complasmic theme, just leave the F, and be just fine. So we're going to go into here, and the only thing we would do is just drag it over, and it would now become the JAD file. Once you upload the JAD file, upload the CODs, and somebody goes to download it, instead of seeing the COM Plasmic theme F and then this version number and everything like this theme and this theme are the exact same theme. You're going to see tutorial theme, or whatever name you made it. You're going to see version, you're going to see vendor ID, the size, and the description. And that's all there is to taking out the COM Plasmic theme. It's not real complicated. I would highly recommend getting Notepad++. It's a great editing tool. It's a lot easier to use than Notepad, and it is free. So just do a Google search for Notepad++, install it, and you'll be ready to go. Until next time, have a good day and enjoy building themes.